All right, here's my update video on my 2001 RM250 for the Prime MX Dirt Bike Build Challenge. Did a Polisport restyle kit on here. Did some dent repair on the pipe. I think I might just buy a new one. Pegs. Found these Dirt X frame guards. I can't find anything as far as works connection or anything goes. And repacked the exhaust and did a seat cover. There it is. I think this bike, I'm gonna keep this bike. I was gonna flip it, but this bike is very nice. I do like it a lot. Still waiting on Electron V-Force. I gotta send the rims out to faster and gotta do some triple clamps, but for the most part, it's coming along very nicely. This is 2 days worth of progress. Plus, I did a lot of cleanup on it. I'm not very good at editing videos. I need a crash course on all that. But motor's pretty clean now. It's gonna have a V-Force Electron on there pretty quick here. And yeah, I rode it today for the first time, and this bike rips, man. Feels great. Almost as good as my old YZ did. All right, cool. Thanks, guys.